All right, folks, after a lot of hard use with your cookery, you'll find that it is still usable. This one is sharp. It's Kailash Blades Mark 1, but I just did a hell of a lot of chopping with it, and it won't shave near its sweet spot, which is there. So what I do, this is the easiest way to sharpen and look after your kukkuris. So what I've got here, come in close please, is a Rikon belt grinder. Now if you look from this side, now it's got a plate there if you've got a flat grind, but here between this spool and the plate, the band is flexible. Now what I do is just follow the convex grind. It allows the belt to follow the convex grind. Now this one doesn't require that, but if you move over here, I've got my Carbotech grinder with buffing wheels. So this one being a Kailash, it doesn't need the sander, but I'll use the polisher, and I'll put some. I use green compound. And again, with the buffer, follow the bevel. On both sides. After you use the Rikon with the belt grinder, it will leave a burr on the edge, and with this buffer, that's what'll remove the burr and stabilize your edge. And then grab a piece of paper. Oh, there's two there, motherfucker. One piece of paper. And that's how I keep my kukkuris sharp. That is all. Have a nice day, ladies and gentlemen.